Karai belashim do ba Charles Pingrop ringkat ke yeng banum peniang kertong nara yeng do weipat haga jakajong ba David Nongrum Emily belaklat no shen kemarin keneng constituency kala pelong kinong ya lamba kemat jong kemarin keneng block congress committee ban Kyntu yu ban Peit Bniah Biang ya kani karai.
Charles Pingrop has clearly stated that actually the decision not to put forward or not to ask any one of his family to contest the election is a unanimous decision taken by the family as a whole. But I still believe that this matter can be reconsidered because of the love and affection shown by the people since yesterday. If you happen to see yesterday what is going on, you'll see that all the members with tears in their eyes requested Mr. Charles Pingrop to kindly reconsider the decision because of the love and affection that they have shown to the family. So it's a difficult thing. We understand for Mr. Charles Pingrop also to reconsider, but we still believe that maybe he can consider once again. This is what we strongly believe. This is what we still convey to Mr. Charles Pingrop today. And in the event that the family could not reconsider this decision, the Block Congress Committee yesterday have discussed that to make the chances of success very clear, we should be united as a unit. All the units of the Block Congress will stand united together, and we want also that the Congress party as a whole will work together along with the Block Congress and along with Charles Pingrop in this process of selection of a candidate, so that the chance of winning will be very high. We have experienced in 2013 that because the recommendation of the bloc was put aside by the higher authority of the party, the official candidate of the Congress Party in 2013 lost the election, and therefore we want that that mistake should not be repeated. There was a great error committed by the party, and we do not want that that thing will happen. Marketing is always a Congress constituency, right from the time of Charles Pingrop, and even before that also. So we still want that marketing will be retained by the Congress Party, and therefore we want that the party will be united together to fight in this election. Even though we are in opposition, we want that we will unitedly fight because of the love and affection shown by the people to the party and also to the family of Charles Pingrop.